Hematology analyzer testing process. Consumables. Please note that the sample injector can be reusable. Consumables preparing. Take out the quadruple diluent. The seal film faces to front. Tap it slightly on the table. Tear the sealing of the test kit. Blood sampling. Lightly massage or hot packing the palm to make fingertip naturally engorged. Sterilize the ring finger with alcohol pad or 75% alcohol, and wipe away the residual alcohol with sterile cotton swab. After that, collect blood with peripheral blood sampler. Discard the first drop of blood to avoid the alcohol, sweat, and body fluid getting involved in the blood and affects the test results. Adapt the quadruple sampler to collect the blood at horizontal and positive angle. Start at the tube with blue cap. Collect the blood sample 5 microliter, 5 microliter, 20 microliter, 10 microliter orderly. Insert the blood sampler into the test kit after collecting blood sample and press tightly. Open the cover of blood sampler to exhaust and then close it. Hold the upper part of the test kit to shake 5 times and then mix 30 seconds. Start at the tube with blue cap. The color changes are yellow-green for HGB, light red for RBC, dark red for WBC, and bright red for PLT. Sample filling. The blue mark in the blood sampler should be matched to the square hole in the counting chamber. Place the test kit upside down. Make the blood sampler cover downward too and take out the cover. Then, insert the test kit into the counting chamber slightly. The blue part in the test kit should be matched to the square hole of counting chamber. Place the sample injector to the test kit. Make sure the test kit is embedded in the sample injector completely. The blue part will be lifted up once the test kit is embedded in the sample injector completely. Squeeze the black handles of the sample injector and force to meet in the central point. The 2 black handles will be locked after they meet in the central point. The sampling process is finished once the blood samples are chromatography on a counting chamber. Release the sample injector to drop the used test kit to the medical waste cabin. Visual inspection of the counting chamber is fully filled with mixed blood sample. If not, shake the counting chamber gently to make sure it is completely filled with mixed blood sample. Instrument measuring. Power on the analyzer and log in the software. Click Start to input patient information and click Next to wait for the sample tray moves out the cabin. The testing time is about 5 minutes. You can review the report after the test and print it out if necessary. Above is the whole process of the blood test. Attentions. The blue part in the sampler should be matched to the blue mark in the test kit. The blue part will be lifted up once the sample injector is placed in the right position. Otherwise, the blue part won't be lifted up. Squeeze the black handles quickly to make sure the sufficient blood sample and the chromatographic analysis of the counting chamber. Release the sample injector to drop the used test kit automatically.